Morning guys, I hope you're all staying safe at home and you are looking forward to the school day ahead. This assembly is just going to touch on a topic that I think is really important in these really unprecedented times. Obviously we're all in the midst of a lockdown, we're not seeing our friends, we're not seeing all of our family, we're under restricted living. It's really tough for us to communicate with each other. Luckily for us, we have the internet nowadays, which has helped us a lot, but are we actually utilising everything and doing everything we can to communicate? Now, I know a lot of you playing sports teams. I've seen a lot of you in the classroom. Communication's what this is all built upon, and you're all really good at it, but are we actually using it to provide one thing to everyone in this sort of circumstance we're in, and that's support? If we constantly communicate with one another, we can provide support, and that's what we need to try and do in these really tough, unprecedented times. By communicating with our friends, with our family, talking to that family member we've not seen for a few weeks, just check in to see if they're okay. That will provide support and breed support, and it's this support that will get us through into back how we want to live. So my message to you all is, let's try and communicate. Check in with your friend who you've not spoken to for a few days. Check in with that family member you've not seen for a few weeks. Even ask your parents, are you okay? Because it's this sort of network of support and the communication that we show that will help get us through. And there will be tough days ahead and still to come. It's what the support does that gets us through those. And whenever we're feeling low, we then get that support back. And this is something that I'm really keen that we all take away from here, is a little challenge. Go and check with that person that you pick today and make sure that they're okay, provide them that support and communicate with them. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.